Starting with some breaking updates from Capitol Hill. A deal came through less than an hour ago that could end the government shutdown. This bipartisan agreement would fund the government at existing spending levels through January 30th and then fully fund SNAP through next September. It also reverses President Donald Trump's layoffs of federal workers, but it does not include a guaranteed extension on Affordable Care Act subsidies. Instead, senators agreed to vote on that matter come December.
We took a big step forward to protect the health care of tens of millions of Americans in exchange for funding through January 31st. This agreement will give Democrats control of the Senate floor for a vote on one of our top legislative priorities, extending the Affordable Care Act premium tax credits.
There's been a lot of talk over the last several weeks on both sides of the aisle about the health care crisis in this country. And I'm thankful to be able to say that we have senators, both Democrat and Republican, who are eager to get to work to address that crisis in a bipartisan way. These senators are not interested.
Well, the House still has to agree on this deal, and President Trump would then have to sign it. Meantime, we're hearing from local political experts looking ahead for what a long shutdown could mean for lawmakers trying to win or hold on to their seats in Congress in the 2026 midterm elections.
Probably won't be political consequences for the shutdown per se. We've had a number of shutdowns over the last couple of decades. The public tends to forget. They don't like them when they happen, but they don't seem to hold anyone accountable for doing it by the next election. Other more important things have popped up in the meantime. I think where it is more likely to matter is that the topics that they are disagreeing about, which is spending on Obamacare, healthcare subsidies, those are likely to rise substantially, even without continuing the funding that the Democrats are pushing for. So that's going to be an issue that's going to come up and probably be something that a number of voters will calculate into their voting decisions.